Welcome to this installation video for your AGD645 pedestrian detector. Our AGD645 is specifically designed for the monitoring of pedestrians and cyclists waiting to cross the road, maximizing safety in local crossing strategies and ideal for typical toucan crossings where occupancy settings and expansive coverage of up to 10 by 3 meters is required. The 645 has a number of additional features compared to the 641 detectors, including an increased mounting height, larger zone size, IP connectivity, and remote monitoring and adjustment. The detector should be mounted on a suitable bracket at a height of 3 to 6 meters with a clear and unobstructed view of the pedestrian wait area. Any obstruction should be removed and any other detectors repositioned. For optimum detection performance, the detector should be carefully angled using the marker on the housing. The fixing nut should then be securely tightened. Your detector is available in multiple voltage options, so do familiarize yourself with page 6 of the product manual before connecting to power. Once connected, the red LED will flash 5 times whilst it performs a self-check routine. If the detector has not yet been set up, the LED will be permanently illuminated. All of our new products utilize our unique AGD touch setup technology, enabling quick and easy setup via a laptop, tablet, or smart device. To access the device, simply search for your detector's SSID in available Wi-Fi networks and enter the password when prompted. This will be the product name followed by the serial number on the unit housing. Once connected, enter the detector's IP address in your browser window to view your device's current settings. If the detector has not yet been configured, you will see this page first. Here you can name the location of your detector and adjust a number of other parameters, including the addition of a static IP address for remote access. Detailed information on the setup of the static IP can be found on pages 11, 12 and 13 of the product manual. Click the Next button. We will now set the zone. It's recommended that you press the Clear button before proceeding. You can then draw a boundary around the area you would like the detector to operate in. You can draw as many points as you like in order to achieve accurate detection. To ensure that the detector reads the zone correctly, you will need to mark your boundary beyond the wait area. This will allow the detector to accurately see pedestrians when they are on the edge of the zone. It is also important that you draw around any obstacles on the site to avoid unwanted detection. If you make a mistake, you can easily go back using the Undo button. Once complete, you can then click on the Next button to proceed to the calibration page. Ensure the zone is empty and click Calibrate. If someone enters the zone during this time, this step will need to be repeated. A walk test will confirm the boundaries of the set zone. In this mode, the zone will illuminate in red at the onset of pedestrian detection. Further adjustment of the zone can be achieved by revisiting earlier steps. The Advanced menu offers a number of options for managing your device, including device information and firmware updates, options for rebooting, and a factory reset. You also have access to comprehensive statistical data from the detector. The 645 has 3 occupancy outputs: low, medium, and high. All are adjustable using the slider bar. This allows you to configure the detector to allow for busy crossing times, optimizing the time required for pedestrians to safely cross the road. For more information on occupancy settings, please visit pages 14 and 15 of the product manual. Because the AGD645 is a vision product, regular maintenance is crucial. Periodic cleaning of the lens windows with a lint-free cloth will ensure that a clear view of the zone is maintained. The security of all cable fixings should also be routinely checked. If you require any further assistance or need any more information, please contact the AGD Technical Support Team, who will be delighted to help.